Did you know there are a dozen communities across North America called Round Hill? You'll find them in places like Arkansas, Maryland, and even 3 different spots in Virginia. But on the open prairie of Alberta, Round Hill has carved out its own quiet place in history. Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. The town began in the early 1900s, growing up beside the railway and the farmland that drew the settlers west. A school was built, followed by a church and a scattering of businesses that anchored life in the community. The Round Hill School still operates today, a reminder that education has been at the center of town for more than a century. The skating rink tells another part of the story. Built decades ago, it remains a gathering spot during long winters, showing how sport and fellowship have always gone hand in hand here. The Round Hill Agricultural Society Hall carries that same continuity, hosting suppers, fairs, and community events much as it has for generations. So what makes this Round Hill stand apart from the others? It isn't size or fame, but endurance. The same fields surround it now as they did when the first settlers arrived, and the same institutions, school, rink, and hall, continue to shape the daily rhythm of the town. Today, Round Hill, Alberta remains a rural hub, modest in numbers but steady in presence. Its story isn't about change so much as continuity, a place where history lives not in the monuments, but in the everyday life of a community that has quietly endured. So if you enjoyed this little journey, give that like button a tap. It's free and oddly satisfying. If you haven't subscribed yet, just know I share a new small town story every week, weather permitting of course. Feel free to pass this along to your aunt, your neighbor, or that one friend who still thinks Alberta ends at Calgary. They need this more than they know. And you'll find gradient imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok because apparently I'm not busy enough. But until next week, drive safe, wave at strangers, and take the scenic route.